So what do you think of our new car, our new M2, M3? So what do you think about So what do you think about our new M2?
I like it actually.
Yeah?
I do. I like the last one. You know the reasons why I didn't buy one myself? Because the arse fell out of them once you'd bought one.
Yeah.
But,
Well, you can't not like this because it's not cost us any money, has it?
well, yeah, you like anything that's free.
And we've got our £5,000 budget. But before we do any modifications whatsoever, we need to see how fast it gets to 60.
Of course. I mean, everyone loves a draggy, don't they?
Everyone loves it. Obviously, you watched the video on the reason the Cannon run was cancelled. So we picked this car up on the way back from London.
Yeah.
So it wasn't all lost. Now these are supposed to have like 410-ish PS or horsepower.
Yeah, but apparently they dyno more, don't they?
Supposedly. So I always think you can tell a car's power by a draggy, surely. So we're going to do our normal draggies.
You can, however, this is rear-wheel drive and it isn't built for straight-line performance. Everyone knows even my RS3 stock would beat this in a draggy at 3.8 seconds. What is it on paper this is supposed to do?
Well, I think, now you guys might check this when I say it, because most of the stuff I say is wrong anyway. 0 to 100 kilometres, which is 62 miles an hour, 4.2 seconds. I'm sure that's what it is. So, what are we talking, 4.1 to 60? 4.1?
I mean, if you can get there, because it's what, 18.5 degrees, so we've been driving around, we've done loads and loads of driving around, so the tyres should be nice and warm.
Yeah.
So, yeah, hopefully, I don't know, hopefully we get the early fours, yeah?
Right.
And this surface isn't that bad, is it?
This surface is, yeah.
It's fairly new tarmac.
Right here.
Oh, here?
You know.
Right here?
Right here, maybe
Sorry,
even
mate.
further back a bit.
Oh, okay.
So we can't be seen doing anything
That we shouldn't be doing.
yobbish. We're not breaking the law.
How's that there?
Because we're on a private road.
Unadopted private road,
you
do
know
what we
what
want. DSC deactivated, into first, handbrake off. I'm pretty sure we've done it.
Right, hold on then. Just plant your foot, see if it actually. In the history of all our videos, this is weird because it actually went into launch.
No messing. And
No
BMWs
messing.
apparently are quite sort of finicky. But this was easier than my. But although I did YouTube it. You ready then? Now bearing in mind there's two of us in here, and between us we're quite heavy.
I'm heavy.
So I reckon we're
You're
going to be about
less heavy than me.
4.3, 4.4. I reckon.
I think if we can get it under 4.5, people are saying we don't have breakfast on it anymore.
That's because you kept losing, saw your arse, and now you don't bet against me.
No way. Bollocks
did?
to that. Bollocks, right? I'm telling you right now, you stopped because I won the last few.
Bollocks.
I won them all in Dubai, and the one in Awesome GTI last week, I won that one. Anyway.
No one can see the Dubai ones, you took all the videos off.
No.
So that doesn't count. I reckon it'll be over 4.5 seconds. You saying under, yeah?
I'm saying bang on 4.5.
Right.
4.5 something, right?
So you're saying 4.5 or over?
No, technically, yeah.
Alright, so I'm saying like 4.99 and under. No, 4.49 and under, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah?
4.9999.
Although I wanted to be 4.5 over, but I'll give it you because you shouted it first, that's fine.
I'm going to go exact. I'm
Go on
saying 4.5 seconds.
I'm saying 4.6.
Right, okay. Whoever's closest, right?
Yeah.
To the 4.5.
Right. You ready then?
Right, breakfast tomorrow morning.
Alright.
Okay.
Sounds, yeah.
Right, the drag is running. Let's do it. It's got, oh no, it's
Short
dropped.
shifted.
It dropped. Right, got it.
Any good?
What are you trying to look at me for? He's like one of them people that like them kids who used to copy off you. 4.86. So you won that.
Yeah.
I'll give you that.
But then people could say that I sabotaged that.
But you could say that had a little moment.
Yeah, yeah, it did, yeah.
First to second.
Yeah, it did. So we'll do one more.
One more, yeah. And then we'll do them individually.
And it sort of spun up a little bit, didn't it? So now do you think that's bad? I mean that's
far as-
14-year-old, 1 million ton RS4 territory, that mate. Manual, may I just add.
That's Focus RS territory. It's
Okay.
only 0.1 of a second off. Let me have a go.
Whoa, I need to do it properly first.
Alright. Because you're just trying to make it go slow now.
I'm not. I will do it properly. Come on. Oh no, that's definitely not done launch that time. DSC is off. Let's try it again. There we go. Here we go.
This is what normally happens. Never goes according to plan. So you've done exactly what you did before.
Yeah. So I didn't change anything, to be fair. Not doing it, mate.
Do a cycle.
Why is it with things like not launching anymore?
Well, my GTR shits itself after 4. This is shits itself after 1.
Who M2, Sport Plus, yep. Pressing on traction, yep. Aircon off, foot on the brake.
Do you know what your problem is?
What?
You're hungry. Get some of that down your neck. Y Foods, there you go.
Can't do that. Oh, fuck
you ready? Are you ready? You ready? Ready?
I was just waiting for you to go.
Right, you ready?
Yep.
Right. Do you know there's one good thing about this car? You know one thing that is good?
That wasn't even me that time.
Right, okay.
Come on.
Do you know the best thing about this car? We've only had it for a few days. The cup holders, there's 2 of them, look. You can even get the Y Foods in there.
Thanks very much.
And that'll help you launch this car.
Cheers,
so
mate.
Crack on.
Links in the description. Cheers. Brake is hard down.
Yeah. There you go. I did say the Y Foods will fix that.
And it did.
Did I not say that?
Yeah, you did.
Right. There's
Thanks,
another
mate.
bit of integration for Y Foods. Should pay us extra for that.
You ready?
No, I'm not ready. Put my seatbelt on. Yes.
Oh yes. Sure for men, it only goes so far. Foot hard down on the brake.
That's fast. That's definitely faster than 4.86. Definitely.
What is it?
4.27. Yes, get in.
Yeah.
So 4.27 with 2 of us in it.
That's decent, that.
And we're not going to do any more with 2 in because I think that's as good as we're going to get.
Oh yeah.
And we got wheel spin then, you know.
Loads of wheel spin.
Loads of wheel spin.
Yeah, I'm happy with that. And it's a warm day as well. It's not particularly cold. A warm day is better for the tyres, but obviously, as everyone knows, it's not better for the...
It's not better for us because we're roasting. We can't have the aircon on because it either makes loads of noise on the camera or it takes power off the engine.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
No. No.
No expert, but I don't think that's going to launch.
Should we be speaking to the YouTube experts?
We are sort of talking to you lot now. So that, you do one launch, it says no thanks. Is there a cycle on it, a power cycle, where you have to leave it for half an hour? But no, it's not half an hour, we left it for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
We did some cutaways and then it worked. We did it one time, tried to do it 2 minutes later, not having it.
Everything's the same. Sport Plus, traction's all the way off, so it says DSC deactivated. Aircon's off, into manual, handbrake off, stamp on the brake, stamp on the accelerator. It'll work once, come back, try and do it again, no thanks.
So any of you guys, like, who've got these, any M series, surely they're all the same, M3, M4, you know, can you do 2 launches in quick succession? You know, while we're waiting around for the car, we didn't talk about the tyres. What's it got?
Super Sports on it, part of Super Sports,
Michelin's.
That's one thing that I think that Audi need to fucking sort themselves out with these RS cars, putting these shitty P0s on it.
But do these come standard though?
Yeah, they're standard.
Standard
Yeah,
car?
yeah, Michelin Cup stuff is standard on these.
Right,
yeah.
well, I tell you why. It's because if they put Pirellis on this, you'd be in that ditch down there.
Yeah, you would, yeah. You'd
Because
be all
there's no
over
way,
the place.
because it's 2-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, no chance.
Like driving around with Mackie's trays.
Yeah, the police helicopter's out already, so that's not looking good, but me and you could fall out. We started off so well. Come on.
Messing with me seat, man. Is that the popo, that? Are we
It's the
alright?
police,
It
yeah.
is?
Yeah. I mean, technically, we're not doing anything wrong, are we, sat here?
No.
I mean, we're not going anywhere. We're not actually launching the car, are we?
No, but the
Because
car...
it doesn't work.
More importantly, the car says I've been on a 2.5 minute phone conversation and I'm not ringing anyone. Foot is hard on the brake.
Yes, don't go, don't go.
Loads of spin then. Absolutely loads of spin. Right at the end as it come round to the red line before it changed gear, it spun, hit the limiter, then changed gear. That'll be slow, that.
So outside the car there, it doesn't actually sound that noisy, so it definitely needs an exhaust. But also, that didn't actually look that quick.
And I just warmed the tyres up for him again now. That's what happens between launches. You have to mess about for that long. That the tyres lose temperature. Because I bet you any money now, Lee goes to do the launch, he'll do exactly the same as what I've just done, and it won't work. Guaranteed.
Go on, give me the good news.
Nah, we slow that. Loads of spin then, wasn't there? There was loads and loads of spin, and then it sort of got to the red line, and then it was like, meh, and then it changed gear. And yeah, so 4.49.
Yeah, I said 4.5.
Yeah, but we did quicker with you,
so
innit?
is that 2? Is that 2 to me? We've got to wait for the car again, 10-15 minutes. So in the meantime, everyone goes on about road surface. So when we did the officially gassed in the GTR, that was the fastest time we got, 2.72 seconds. The fastest I got on a regular road, private road that is, was just under 3 seconds. So it does come down to road surface. So for the first time ever on Evil GT, we're going to have a look at the road surface, so come on.
This is getting far too scientific for my liking.
See this there?
Yeah, it's a road that, mate. Brilliant. Yeah. Thanks very much.
No,
right,
no,
okay,
come on. Come back. So we've got our little bits and bobs here. So, wow. But that is the road surface.
It is, yeah. There's nothing you can do about it.
Happy with that, guys? Well, is that okay for you guys? Because that's the road surface. That's all we've got.
I thought this was going to be the start of your excuses once you don't beat 4.49.
Well, the big rock there, because that's a rock.
That's a rock.
If the tyre starts off on that, that's going to make it. That's going to lose traction straight away.
Jesus.
Actually, have you brought the brush with you? I'm dusting this off.
Confident, 4.49 to beat. You sure you don't want me in for ballast?
No, I'll be good, thanks.
I'll sit in the back for you.
Right, can I just ask you one question?
Go on.
Because I'm not a BMW guy.
Yeah.
Even though I've had more than you.
Yeah.
What does that do?
That's like, I think for the gearbox, it's like the ferocity of how it changes gear and how long it keeps it in gear for and all that kind of shit.
Right, okay. Right, this ain't gonna work.
It has. That seemed to get loads less wheel spin than what mine did. I reckon he's got early 4s there. I reckon he's probably got about 4.2, 4.3, which will fucking 3-0. Ridiculous, I'm going to stop doing these. Look how quick he's coming back. He knows, doesn't he? He knows.
Definitely needs an exhaust, this. Do you want the good news for me or the bad news for you?
Well, obviously you've won, so what did you get?
I'll give you the bad news for you. I beat you. 4.39 seconds.
So you beat me by a tenth?
Yeah, look at that.
4.39, there it is. Brilliant, mate. Yeah, thanks. Right,
cheers, mate.
Taking me home now. Great, yeah.
See you later.
No one's asked. Well done.
These times are achieved by BMW in sort of like laboratory conditions, aren't they? So we're not going to get it here, are we?
No, but what I'm confused about is like they generally over-egg it. Like the Germans usually say, oh, it'll do 4.1, but in actual fact, same with the RS3, they said it'd be 4.1, it did 3.8 stock. So,
which is weird.
Anyway.
But anyway, we've had a go. We might have another go.
There you go.
Whenever.
What we do know is though, when we give this more power, because it can't put the power down it's currently got, when we do give it a bit more power, it'll be slower, guaranteed.
It will. So that is our little draggy video. Only a quick one. Thanks for watching.
Cheers.
And look forward to the modifications on this. We're going to do a lot of stuff. We still, obviously, you're commenting on the video, the last video we put on, so keep the comments coming. And let us know what you want to do. But definitely, from my point of the view... Point of the view, yeah. From my point of the view, it needs an exhaust.
It definitely isn't loud enough. It definitely is not loud enough, but brilliant. Can you take me home now? I don't want to do this anymore.
Before we go, I think I know why we missed out on that 0.2 of a second. It's the Y Foods weighing us down.
That's what it is. That's because it keeps you full for that long, seriously. Link in the description.